right here.
If you've just joined us, welcome.
3, 2, 1.
This is our little winter disco.
Mummy hasn't told you where you're going today, have I? We're going behind us to the ice skating rink because we're going to a party. It's for the launch of the new LOL Winter range.
Cameras taking photos of you. It's amazing. What? Oh no, you there,
What are you unboxing, Olivia? Oh, I know what you're going for. Look at the winter chalet.
Okay, cool. So just over the clear area, take one per person, just because we want to make sure.
Are you a bit surprised, Olivia? You didn't know you were coming here, did you?
Big surprise.
I think you're a bit, yeah.
This is enough.
If you've just joined us, welcome.
3, 2, 1.
This is our little winter disco. A pose at the end.
Shake, shake, shake.
Yeah! Monday morning, everybody! And fed and watered. Yes. Which ones have you got then? Which ones is what's she called? That. How you doing? Nice to see you. I'm Ben. What's your name? Minnie. Right. We're going to just Taylor Swift. Woo! There you go, Ella. Yeah! Monday morning, everybody! There we go, look at that pose. Hey, 5, 6, posing on the dance floor.